Does your workflow look like this? Triggers, actions, paths, filters, all tangled together. Hard to maintain, but hard to live without. Welcome to the end of the spaghetti zap. Today, we're cutting through the chaos of the terror of Tower. It all starts with a simple goal. You just want to send an SMS reminder 15 minutes before a meeting starts. But let's look at the struggle, the old way of doing things. In the traditional Zapier world, that simple task is actually a fragile 5-step maze of logic you have to manually build. It's a brittle process of mapping fields, one by one. You're scrolling through dropdowns. You're hunting for variables. And because you hard-coded that map, if the data format changes even slightly, the connection snaps. That's how the terror of Tower was built. Now get ready for the solution that changes everything. Stop building logic and start describing intent. Introducing Agentic Send by Seasalt.ai. We've replaced the formatters, the filters, and the manual mapping with a single, intelligent action. Here's the new rule. Don't map fields. Just give the AI all the data you have. The Agentic AI reads the entire payload. It finds the missing country code, fixes the formatting, and understands the context automatically. You don't configure with clicks anymore. You configure with plain English. You tell the agent what you want, and it handles the rest. And this isn't just for calendars. Agentic Send acts as a universal adapter for over 8,000 apps, whether it's a form submission or an e-commerce order. This is more than just a feature. It's a revolution in workflow automation. Turn your tangled workflows into intelligent conversations. Agentic Send is available now on Zapier. Start free today.